Dear audience, Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. As you know, the month of December reminds us of the Army Public School misfortune that took place in Peshawar. This day holds a special place in the hearts of every Pakistani, but for all the wrong reasons. On this black day, more than 144 pupils, including innocent children, were gunned down by the monsters disguised in the human attire. Who did not to think for the second before killing a child? Now 8 years have gone by since the APS incident. On this sorrowful occasion, our school administration has held a program to tribute the martyrs of APS Peshawar. As usual, we start our program with the recitation of Holy Quran. For recitation, I invite Miss Sana from class 8. जरे जरे से तेरा जिक्र बयां होता है, कितना पुरनूर वो दिलकश समा होता है, जुस्तजू जो भी करें इस पर आया होता है, वो जो धड़कन की तरह दिल में नेहा होता है. For Hamde Bari Tala, I invite Miss Rafia Arshad from class 9th. Subhanallah. आज अश्क मेरे नात सुनाएं तो अजब क्या, सुनकर वो मुझे पास बुलाएं तो अजब क्या. For नाते रसूल मकबूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, I invite Sameer Ahmad from class 7th. Now we proceed our program. Our tiny students present a marvelous tableau on Mere Baba. Great performance. To deliver a speech on the topic of Shaheed Kabhi Marta Nahi. For this speech, I invite Mr. Imran from class 10th. Now, I invite the students of class 7 for a tableau on Erahe Hakke Shaheedo. Great performance. Now, Miss Aima Ali comes on stage to deliver a speech to tribute the martyrs of APS Peshawar. In the last, I invite our principal to come on stage and enlighten our mind through his speech on the topic of students of APS Peshawar. Thank you, sir. In the end, I request to all guests that please stand from their seats for national anthem. Thanks for your coming here and to attend this ceremony.